Look at that. Huh? I love it. We have hot water ready. You can see it's almost boiling. And we are going to make homemade fabric softener. Those are 2.5 liters of hot water, and these are the ingredients that we are going to use to make 5 liters of fabric softener, homemade. So they have been labeled. When you buy in the shop, they label for you how you're going to add in sequence. This is number 1. I'll show you number 1. Let me remove the rest. This is number 2. This is the color, pink. So it will be pink, our fabric softener. And this is number 3, which I think is the scent. And here's number 1. So we are going to start by pouring in number 1 into the hot water. I think this is usually in color white, but it has turned pink because of my color, as it has been in my house for a while, and I think this color got some water, and now it caused this white stuff. I think they are wax to be pink, but that is not an issue. So now we are going to add this number 1 into the hot water and then stir. So you're going to stir until all the wax dissolve in this hot water. We are making a total of 5 liters of homemade fabric softener. You know, like Star Soft, Downy. Yeah. So now it's going to be homemade. So now that that is mixed, we are going to add cold water, or the water with room temperature, into this mixture. Since this is 2.5 liters, we are going to add 2 liters of room temperature water into the mixture. Then the other half, we are going to mix with the color. We are going to dissolve the color. Then when we add all together, it's going to be 5 liters. So this is already dissolved. Now let's add the water. Now let's add the water. Let's proceed with adding the room temperature water. This is 2 liters. You add it as you stir. Although it might look watery, but we are going to leave this when we are done preparing everything for 24 hours. And this mixture is going to thicken. It's not going to be watery. Now that that is mixed, let's mix our color. For the color, here is half the liter, together with the 2 liter of room water temperature we added here, and the 2.5 liter of hot water we used earlier. That makes 5 liters. So this is our color, it's pink. The color is mixed, it's so fast and easy. So you're going to add in this mixture. And that's it. Now we are going to leave this for the next 24 hours. Now that that is mixed, the last thing is to add the smell, the scent. Yeah, that smells so good. Continue mixing, and then we leave it for 24 hours. And our fabric softener will be ready to use. Now we leave it for it to cool for the next 24 hours. I'll give you an update when it's 24 hours. I'll show you how the fabric softener turned out. It's been more than 24 hours since we made this fabric softener. Let's check it. Oh, look at this thickened. Wow. This looks good. Let's start. Wow, wow, wow. It turned out so good. I love it. And also it smells so good. Let's use this to see how consistent the fabric softener is. Look at that. How I love it. This is so good. Huh. So make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and comment. Leave a nice comment. Hope you're going to try to make your own fabric softener at home. Mine turned out so good. I love it. I'm proud of myself, especially considering it was the first time. I'm going to put it in this container. This is our fabric softener. Fabric softener, liquid soap, and bleach.